Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hot Zone in Brawl Stars. Let's dive into the core mechanics of this exciting game mode. Hot Zone is a fast-paced, objective-based mode where two teams of 3 brawlers compete to control one or more designated zones on the map. To win, your team must accumulate 100% zone control before your opponents do. Each zone you occupy contributes to your team's progress, so strategic positioning is key to victory. Choosing the right brawlers is crucial for Hot Zone success. Focus on brawlers who can either withstand heavy damage, control large areas, or deal consistent damage to enemies within the zones. Brawlers like Frank or Rosa are excellent for their high health and ability to stay on point, while throwers such as Barley or Tick can deny entry. Aim for a balanced team composition, perhaps one tank, one area controller, and one brawler focused on taking out opponents. Effective strategy revolves around smart zone control. Always prioritize getting into and holding the zones, as that's how you win. Utilize the map's natural cover to protect yourself while capturing or defending. Coordinate your super abilities with your teammates. A well-timed super from a brawler like Shelly or Tara can clear a zone instantly. Remember, it's not always about holding every zone. Sometimes focusing your 3 brawlers on 2 key zones is more effective than spreading too thin. To elevate your Hot Zone gameplay, avoid common pitfalls. Don't overextend too far from the zones, as this leaves them vulnerable and can lead to your team being wiped. Knowing when to retreat and heal is vital. Sometimes giving up a zone temporarily to regroup is better than continuously dying. Use the in-game communication tools to signal your intentions to your teammates. Finally, familiarize yourself with various map layouts, as each map presents unique challenges and opportunities for zone control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.